Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show the file in enclosing folder on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to all files in recents. Now click on a photo, a video, any file you wish to. Right click, and now to show where the enclosing folder is, we have to click on show in enclosing folder. This now takes us to a separate Finder window to now generate all the folders the file is in, and that's how you navigate to the enclosing folder. So we would now know where this JPEG file lives in. Before that, we did not, as we accessed all these files from recents. And so that's the shortcut. Right click, show in enclosing folder. And so quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.